Good morning, children. All of you open your volume 1, EVS volume 1 workbook. Okay, come to our lesson, our country, world. See, identify the marked two regions in India. Here India was given, Indian map was given. In that, two colored regions are there. Mention the names of the corresponding states. Okay, in these regions, which states are there? We must write in this table. Okay, see here what are that colored regions. That purple color region is northeastern India. Okay, and red color region is central India. Okay, what are the states in central India? Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. Okay, states in that red colored region in India is central India. States in central India are Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. And purple color region is northeastern India. Regions are Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, okay, Tripura, Meghalaya, Sikkim, Nagaland, Mizoram and Manipur. Okay, these are the states in the northeastern India: Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Tripura, Nagaland, Sikkim. Okay, right here. First region is, you can write any region here, write central India. Write neatly, ma. And here write red color region is central India, purple color region is northeastern India. In the above given Indian map, red color region is central India and purple color region is northeastern India. Okay, what are the states in central India? Right here, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. And in the northeastern India, what are the states? Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Sikkim, Tripura, Manipur, Mizoram, and Nagaland. Okay, in central India, states are Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh, and in northeastern India, that purple color region in India map is northeastern India. States in northeastern India are Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Manipur, Sikkim, Tripura and Nagaland. Okay, now come to the next page. C. Identify the neighboring countries of India with the help of the given clues. We know the neighboring countries of India, no? Sri Lanka, Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, okay, Myanmar, Bangladesh. Here clues are given. By using that given clues, we must identify the neighboring countries of India. See the first clue. Western boundary of India. Already we know the boundaries of India. Okay, in the east, Bay of Bengal, and in the west, Arabian Sea. Right here, western boundary of India is Arabian Sea. Western boundary of India is Arabian Sea. Small country with 6 letters in its name. Okay, small neighboring country with 6 letters in its name. Okay, Nepal 5 only. Bhutan. Okay, right, Bhutan. Okay, Nepal, Bhutan, China, Pakistan, in this Bangladesh. In these neighboring countries, which country has 6 letters in its means Bhutan. Next, that neighboring country is in between the eastern and northeastern India. Neighboring country between eastern and northeastern India is Bangladesh. Bangladesh. Okay, north of Himalayas, to the Himalayas, which which neighboring country is in north means China. Okay, north of Himalayas, which neighboring country is in north to the Himalayas means China. Next, island country is Sri Lanka. Northwest of India, to the India in the northwest. Okay, Pakistan. Border of Nagaland and Manipur states is Myanmar. And Himalayan kingdom is, which neighboring country is called the Himalayan kingdom means Nepal. Okay, identify the neighboring countries of India with the help of the given clues. Okay, first clue is western boundary of India is Arabian Sea. Western boundary of India is Arabian Sea. Okay, in the neighboring small country with 6 letters in its name is Bhutan. Okay, what are the neighboring countries? First, Pakistan, China, okay, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Sri Lanka. Okay, in this, which country has 6 letters in its means Bhutan? Between eastern and northeastern India, which neighboring country is in between the eastern and northeastern India means Bangladesh. North of Himalayas is China. To the Himalayas, which country is in north means China. Island country means Sri Lanka. Northwest of India is Pakistan. To the India, which country is in northwest? Which neighboring country is in northwest means Pakistan. Border of Nagaland and Manipur states is Myanmar. Himalayan kingdom means, which neighboring country is called the Himalayan kingdom means Nepal. Next, come to the match the following. Okay, match the country to its capital or language. Okay, first one, see Pakistan. Its capital is Islamabad. Okay, and Myanmar, Burmese. Language is Burmese. And China, Beijing. Its capital is Beijing. And Sri Lanka, language is Sinhalese. Nepal, language is Nepalese. Bangladesh, language is Bengali. Okay, Bhutan, Thimphu, Afghanistan, Kabul. Okay, Bhutan, Thimphu, Afghanistan, Kabul. Okay, Pakistan capital is Islamabad, Myanmar, Burmese, China, Beijing capital. Okay, Sri Lanka, Sinhalese, Nepal, Nepalese, Bangladesh, Bengali, Bhutan, Thimphu, Afghanistan, Kabul. Okay, see here BDA, CF, HEG. BDA, CF, HEG. See here, locate the continents and the oceans in the given world map and name them. All we know, no, this is Asia, Europe, okay, North America. You must write neatly, ma. South America, okay, Australia, Africa, okay, Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America and Australia. Continents completed. Now come to the oceans. Pacific Ocean. Is it also Pacific Ocean? Here it is Atlantic Ocean. Here Indian Ocean. Here Arctic Ocean. Here is Antarctic Ocean. Here Southern Ocean. Okay. This is Asia, to the Asia in the west, Europe to the Europe in the south, Africa. Here it is Australia, to the south, southeast of Asia is Australia. This Africa and Australia was separated by the ocean, Indian Ocean. Here it is North America, South America. Pacific Ocean separates North America and South America from Asia and Australia. And between North America and South America, Europe, Atlantic Ocean separate the North America and South America from Europe and Africa also. Okay, above that Arctic Ocean and down of that Antarctic Ocean, this is Southern Ocean. Okay. Now come to the next base. Match the following. Here continents are given. Okay. And which continent is the largest, which continent is the smallest, which is the darkest region was not given, and we must match that. Australia, it is the smallest continent. Okay, Australia is the smallest continent. Here also Australia only. And Asia is the largest continent. Asia is the largest continent. Indonesia. Europe is the richest continent. Okay, France. Countries in that continent is France. Antarctica is the coldest continent. And country in that, no countries, it is the coldest continent, it is full of ice only. So in Antarctica there is no countries. Next, South America. South America, here there is the Andes, and countries in South America is Brazil. Okay, North America, in the North America there is the Lake Superior, and countries in North America is USA. And Africa, it is the hottest continent, and Egypt. Okay, Australia, it is the smallest continent. Asia is the largest continent. Europe is the richest continent. Antarctica is the coldest continent. South America, the Andes was there, and in North America, Lake Superior was there. Africa is the hottest continent, and in Australia was there, and in Asia Indonesia was there, and in Europe France was there. Antarctica there is no countries, and in South America Brazil was there, and in North America USA, United States of America was there, and in Africa Egypt was there. Okay, and come to the all we know, what do you infer from this activity? What you came to know from this activity means, in fresh water egg was sinking, and in the salt water egg was floating. Why it was floating, why egg was floating in the salt water means, if we dissolve high amount of salt in the fresh water, that water density will increase, salt will increase the water density, so egg is floating. Okay, tomorrow we can discuss. Thank you.